All right, now that we've got the parking lot and sidewalk and that sort of thing defined, what we want to do is throw some landscaping around. So we need to go to the landscape plan. And yes, save your project frequently. So I can see my sidewalks here, and I'm just going to go to site component under massing and site. And let's just, I would say for this, because this is a very large site, stick to trees. Start with your big ones first. And look for things that are 40 to 30 feet tall. 40 feet tall, look for the big ones. So here's a scarlet oak. And what I would suggest is just kind of think about putting some groupings. So just do like groups of 3, and I'm just going to kind of do a little zone here. So we're going to do a few of those. I'm going to do like a model of some landscape right here. So then I want to go to something that's about 25 feet, and that's going to be a smaller tree that I can kind of tuck in around those. So you might do some grouping right here, some grouping right here. And then I'm going to grab something even shorter, like a blueberry elder, which is 15 feet tall. And again, I'm going to zoom in on this and just kind of do a couple of these going this way. And then let's see if we can find one that's like 10 feet tall. So here we go. We've got some smaller little trees to kind of put around here. And I'm just doing like a little cluster. So there's a little space of some landscaping. When I go to 3D and take a look at it, when I zoom in on that, you can see how that has some look to it there. Okay, so this is with the realistic rendering. So that might be a little example of some some landscaping that you can see some variation in height. So I wouldn't suggest getting down to like flowers and shrubbery for this project because we're trying to do big broad strokes, and I don't want you planting thousands and thousands of shrubs. Just indicate where the landscaping is and use some different sizes to give it some variation. Don't just go in with one size. Okay, that's just a real quick run through of throwing some trees on there, and that's all for now.